My name is Jonah Loomis. I graduated from the MERRILL Institute in 2017. I entered the welding program because it all started when I worked on a dairy farm throughout high school. And I got my first taste of welding when I was fixing an old gate that broke. And I thought it was really cool that I could stick two pieces of metal together just by some wire. It kind of all started from there. I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I always liked working with my hands, and I just saw welding as kind of an opportunity to do hands-on stuff, and that was why I went into it. Other than working on the dairy farm, I didn't have any training with welding. I just got to pull the trigger. I didn't really know what I was doing, and once I came to the MERRILL Institute, I learned how all that stuff works, and it kind of helped me now with what I'm doing here. I heard through a couple friends, and actually me and my best friend decided to go through the program together, and that actually helped us out a lot, but it was mainly just friends, just kind of talking here and there. It started out really basic, and I got the hang of it pretty quick, so once you start to see progress, then you get excited and then you want to do better and better. And we started out basic, and every process was a little more, and it was interesting to me, so I wanted to keep going with it, and that's really what made me interested in that, I guess. I don't know, I didn't know where it was going to take me, but I just learned a lot so fast that I was like, man, this is something I want to do. And that's kind of what made me keep going with it, I guess. Now I'm a welder here, level 3 welder. I started out as a level 1 like most people do. And I get to work on a lot of cool projects. There's so many things going on in the shop, and you never get bored here. You'll be on one job, go to a different job, and it could be a completely different process. And it's just cool to be able to switch between so many different things, and you get to see so much, learn so much, work on so many cool projects. It's a lot of fun. What I got out of it was if you stay confident and you stick to what you're doing, no matter how many times you mess up, you just try to fix your flaws, and the more times you do that, the more you learn. It just, I don't know, once you see progress, it gets you excited, and that's kind of how you keep going. When I was in the MERRILL Institute, my instructors, they were very able to teach me in a way that was understandable. You know, it wasn't just sitting in the classroom and learning off of a book or whatever. And everything they taught us, we'd learn in the classroom, so we'd visually see it on the screen, and then we'd go into the workshop, and then we could practice, and we'd see what we learned with what we were doing with our hands, and that makes it very easy to understand. And even if you struggle, we do it day by day by day like that, so you're constantly learning out of the book, and you're practicing with your own hands. And that's the most important thing to me, that really helped me learn. So in the Institute, I learned many different ways to look at jobs, or just different things that you're building or working on, or sand, if you gotta grind it down or sand it down, just what to look for, what your appearance should be, the cleanliness of how you do that, all the steps that it takes to put down the right weld, or grind it the right way, or prep your plate, anything. There's always a process on how to do it, and here they teach you that in the right way. They showed me how you can learn, and then they trust you to do it. I know it's on practice, but they're giving you full reins to go ahead and do what you gotta do. And just seeing how you can grow from that, it really helps you in your career, seeing what you want to do, I guess. What makes me excited about being a welder is seeing your progress along the way. And once you get confident with something, and then you can start to do that time and time again, that's what gets me excited, because you're seeing your progress, you're getting better, you're learning every day. There's always something to learn. I've got so many new things I learn every day, even if it's small, just the little things. It all helps along the way. I really like working at MERRILL. I get to work on many different jobs. That's what keeps it interesting here. You can be welding aluminum one day, and the next day you could go TIG weld steel or stainless, or whatever the job may be. There's always many different jobs going on here, and there's always something to do. You're never bored. And it's nice when you can learn new things. They'll put you on new jobs that you may not be comfortable with, but you can practice and practice, and you can do them jobs if you're certified. And if you need to certify, they'll certify you. They'll set all that up for you, really.